Right of way. I always give manned aircraft the right of way anytime because I'm flying an unmanned vehicle. So I always bring the drone down if I see or sense helicopters in the area. Now, one of the ways that you need to be aware is that one of the things that Part 107 will do for you is that once you register yourself and you get yourself into IACRO, you'll be under FAA safety and you'll get notifications for TFRs that might come into your area, such as when the president comes to visit. Now, one of the things that I've noticed is that uh, in trying to establish, and I'm working with one of the Facebook groups here in the state of Georgia, that if I get notified of a TFR, I'm going to basically post it on to these Facebook groups so that they are also notified because a lot of recreational flyers are not notified whether or not they can fly. Now, my drone also is equipped with the ability to be geo fenced so it won't take off the ground. But I do have an older drone that doesn't have that geo fencing. I don't fly it anymore, but it also, if I wanted to take it off the ground and I didn't know any better, I probably could fly in a TFR, which stands for temporary flight restriction.